Let's learn how to add text and add a quiz in BlendSpace. When you are logged into BlendSpace, you can add text or add a quiz to a previously created lesson or to a new lesson. I'm going to use one of the feature lessons for today's example. I am going to choose a math lesson, and the name of this lesson is Probability Unit. Since I'm using a featured lesson, I'm going to copy this lesson and also change the lesson title. I'm going to add another row for this example. First, select the tile that you would like to add text to. You can do this by hovering over the bottom part of the tile and selecting Add Text. When you select Add Text, a box pops up that will enable you to add text as part of your lesson. For this example, I will copy and paste information from another website. So I'm copying and pasting information for this probability unit. If you look at the top left corner of the screen, there are 3 buttons representing different ways you can paste information into the text box. And here's an example of how you can paste. You can also paste as plain text and paste from a Word document. Any information that you do not want entered into the text box, you can undo, and the information is gone. This works the same way as any Word document. It has some of the same features. For example, you can insert or remove number list, insert or remove bulleted list, decrease indent, increase indent, block quote. So you can align left, which is the default setting, center, align right, and justify. You can even include a link into the text box. You can add a table. If you change your mind about the table, you can delete the table, or you can insert different cells, rows, columns, and go to table properties to adjust the table. You can select a word or a group of words and select bold, or italicize it, underline, strike through. You can also change the font color by highlighting the word or words and selecting the color that you want to use. You can change the background color as well by highlighting the word or words and selecting a background color. And once you are finished adding your text, click Done, and you have just added text into your tile. Now let's look at how to add a quiz into a tile. It works the same way as adding text. So first select the tile that you would like to add the quiz to, and you can do this by hovering over the bottom part of the tile and selecting Add Quiz. When you select Add Quiz, a box pops up that will enable you to add a quiz as part of your lesson. So for this example, I am going to copy and paste information from another website to gather questions for my quiz. I am gathering questions for my probability lesson from the Math Goodies website. click on the plus button and add answer to increase the number of selected response items. And select the correct answer. Once you've finished adding a question and the selected response items that goes with that question, you can add another question. I am copying and pasting the information from another website to gather information for my questions. You can continue to add as many questions as needed for a quiz for BlendSpace. You can customize it by creating a label. And this is how you add text and add a quiz to BlendSpace.